arrived at Tone. This is where they brought the truck from Finsbury.
That's right, but what we don't know is why they brought it here.
I'll go have a look.
Well, let's bring out my best friend. Actually, my second best friend. Yes, I have more than one best friend. True. Well, that's what you tell the other best friend. You know, you tell it, the people you have more, like, you're my best friend, but, you know, that way you could just have multiple, like, good friends.
This is the truck used in the Finsbury attack. I have a VIN and plate match. The
But no,
dash
you're my
cams are
best friend,
shambles,
I
but the
promise.
local cameras picked up some audio. Worth a listen.
Oh, Jesus. He's pretty burnt up.
Happens when your truck explodes.
Fuck. I used to see him around R&D. Did you know him?
Hell no. But even if I did, I wouldn't fucking talk about it. Know what I mean?
I'm detecting several optics nearby with no life signs connected. That's where we should look for the driver's body.
I got it!
All the way back? I'll call my spider. Oh, wait. The government's watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna have to physically go in there. I probably didn't need to break his neck, but, you know.
Nah, this guy's been dead too long to be our attacker.
Yes, from the state of decay, I'd say this person died, right around the Tone bombing. So that's one mystery solved.
Track him down.
Oh great, now I gotta go up there? Okay, I need her to move. Shit, this isn't good.
What's that sound?
Thank God for that silencer, man. That's why I like using her for missions. A silence in B5.
Oh shit, this might be our guy. Badly burnt. Oh, smells recent.
There's a lump of damaged metal in his noggin that might once have been an optic.
Piece of cake for you, Bagley.
I'm pulling everything down from his cloud storage now. I recommend escaping from the premises.
I can't believe those fucking Albion assholes. They're dumping dead bodies here.
If you consider that new bodies are constantly being unearthed from the Tone wreckage, they can kill anyone they want and get away with it.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
I've decrypted an audio file recovered from the attacker's body. Shall I play it?
Do it, Bagley.
He's launched them, Mom. They're waiting up there, and no one knows. People think he'll keep them safe, but that's not what he wants. He wants control. He sent them up there to watch us. And worse, he called them Justice, Themis drones. What a cruel joke. The project was dead, but he has the team re-engineering an upgrade that'll activate a systemic reboot, and you always hated it when I used my big up words. I can't let it happen. And without him, it doesn't. Mom, I'm about to do something. Something awful. Or at least people will say it's awful. If they know what I know, maybe they'd think better of me. Less of a monster. But I'm trying to stop a monster, Mom. I am. If you had the chance to stop something terrible from happening by killing someone, wouldn't you do it? Something truly horrible. I'm sorry. I love you.
Damn.
Are you fucking kidding me? These Themis drones have been hovering over our heads this whole time. We're just one upgrade away from them turning into killing machines.
Might take months, but Cass could get the project back on its legs. Unless we destroy the drones themselves. Bugs boy, the Themis data we wiped at Titus. Any chance you remember enough to retro-engineer a more suitable upgrade?
I'll do you one better. I can code a virus from the data itself.
Bagley, come on! That Project Themis data is dangerous. Why would you make a copy of it?
I asked him to. No sense in just flushing data. Never know what might come in handy or what you might learn. So, how do we use it to infect the drones?
Albion's got a primary communications hub at Tower Bridge. Upload the virus there, fam, and all the drones get a dose.
Let's do it.
Alright.
Let's find her. Drone, begin a search.
The drone did it. I saw it with my own eyes.
It's like I'm trying to keep moving and keep them, the drones away. But it's definitely easier said than done. I mean, if that cloak was able to, like, I get why it doesn't reload quicker, but it's just a little bit quicker.
Who the hell are you?
How is that meant to be funny? I just send them memes. That's what I send them. Alright, so I'm assuming... But now I will not be able to silently take everyone out. Unless they're already, like, they don't respawn. No, there's people here.
Stop right there!
I don't think the LNG does good, but we got what we got, right? Yeah, I don't know if the Hitmans are the only ones that have that weapon, or...
I'm reading incoming drones.
Please don't say that them is drones.
No, these aren't the algorithmically driven assassin drones. They're just the normal drones that also kill you.
This LMG does alright for him. Maybe I use this LMG for those drones and the MP5 for the other ones. And granted, MP5 doesn't do as well, but still do alright. Gas again. Alright, we're at 41. Reload real quick or refill.
The upload's about half done.
If they could just stay over there,
Security breach. Drone reinforcements en route.
that would be nice. Okay, I didn't realize the back thing. Oh, I think I got this one. We got this.
That's it for Themis, fam. No coming back from this.
Yes, the lights are lovely. I suggest you leave before someone gets the bright idea to turn yours off.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Don't let them escape.
Can I not vault over? That's weird. We'll just go the way we came.
Cass's plan to use drones driven by some social algorithm to dispense justice has backfired. Do you think he's actually read any of those Greek myths he's named his drones after?
What's to stop the next plan and the one after that? Cass is the real problem here. We have to figure out a way to stop him.
Bossman got bodies, guns, and even killer robot things. It ain't a fair fight. We try him, and he'll wipe us to the ground. Make DedSec extinct again.
So we take the people's support away, fam. Bags and me have some thoughts on what we gotta do. You lot better come in for a briefing.
Yep, exactly. Gotta get take out their
Albion
battery.
confirms that the explosions seen in the skies over London were indeed an Albion drone project that was sabotaged by the DedSec insurgency. In an exclusive interview with GBB Radio 1, Albion founder and CEO Nigel Cass had this to say.
Truth is, the supposed freedom fighters of DedSec have made London less free. That drone project was meant to replace Albion boots on the ground, let the city get back to normal, but now, I can't in good conscience stand my people down. That's not how I lead.
Cass went on to implore listeners to treat any suspected DedSec operatives as terrorists and to immediately report them to Albion.
fucking waste, man. Crying his alligator tears to the cameras, all because we stopped him from terrorizing people.
And it's working. Sorry, that was too cheerful. Sadly, it's working. Too sad?
It's what he does. Scares the shit out of people, then swoops in and plays the hero. We've got to show them what he really is.
So that's his weakness, his image. If we shatter that, he falls apart.
Got a solution for that. Bagley boy, show everybody.
This is Claire Waters, political dissident and podcaster, reported missing after teasing a salacious upcoming episode. Sadly, it never aired, so all we have is this.
On the next episode of Buccaneer Radio, I'm chatting with someone from deep inside Nigel Cass's inner circle. He's promised me something that will expose Cass as the tyrant I know he is. This is gonna blow the roof right off White Tower. See you next week, pirates.
Nigel would have spun that interview if it was spinnable. If he went after Waters for it, that tape's a smoking gun.
We've got to have it.
Claire was known to broadcast out of Freight 1. You should begin searching there. Claire Waters appears to be an equal opportunity muckslinger. Albion is her target of choice, but she's railed against tech genius Sky Larson, SIRS, and Plan Kelly. Opinionated, isn't she?
She'd be a real force of nature if she had dead sex back in. We can give her the real dirt, help each other out.
She's been digging in Cass's shit for a while. If what she has isn't enough to squeeze his bollocks in a vice, then maybe she'll join you lot and help find something.
Oh yeah, that's 0 day.
Your somewhat reckless teammate has got themselves thrown in the old clink, I'm afraid.
Unless
Difficult
it's
to
a
resist
2 for
oppression
1.
from behind bars. It will be a while before they're available. Pro tip, however, why not recruit a barrister to the team? I mean, no one exactly likes a barrister, but they do have their function. They should be able to shorten the jail time of imprisoned operatives.
I already have one. Unless he is part of 0 day or is 0 day. Like, he has everything to gain from what happened. So maybe he did that, you know what I mean? Like, maybe he is, if not 0 day himself, the one who set it up with 0 day, and 0 day is just someone you can blame it on kind of a thing. Oh.
Claire used to broadcast from somewhere around
Try to
here.
press
That's
break.
all
I
I've
tried
got,
to
I'm
break.
afraid. Bloody analog technology.
Shit, Gal is making enemies, and if we could find her this easy, they could too. Let's go.
Oh, it's underneath. So maybe I have to, do I have to go down on there? That's a good question, actually. I'm not too sure if they stack. Oh, that's just a fast travel. I don't want to fast travel.
Control mode reinitiated.
A couple of hours and his bollocks are on fire.
Shit. Thought I had my robot on. Damn.
Fuck! No! What dirty blood-clad coward does a person like that? God! And now we're a good woman down!
I'd love to listen to you moan all day, but perhaps investigating her murder would be a better use of our time.
Fine. But you know, Bugs, when we find out who did this, we're gonna do them a real harm. Let's snoop.
Damn. Alright.
People have been stomping through here.
Several individuals. Boots rather than shoes. One with a tread unique to a certain paramilitary supplier. I think it's from their autumn collection.
And I'm guessing they helped suit up Albion too? You see this graffiti, Bugs? It's a little bit extra though, no?
Claire did release several podcasts critical of Clan Kelly, which you'd think they'd be used to by now. They're a criminal gang, they shouldn't expect flowers and thank you notes.
Kellys know they're big dogs. Them don't need to piss up a wall to prove it.
They said it was going to be multiplayer. They didn't say when. It hasn't been introduced yet.
The blood-clad dogs took all of her gear, but they missed this tablet. Can you scan it, Bugs?
Tablet unlocked. Claire seems to have logged conversations on it.
Okay, you've agreed to speak on the record. You are an intelligence technician at Albion and work closely with Nigel Cass, correct, Mr.?
Just you. I can't believe I'm doing this. If they were to find out.
I know. Only have to step outside to see how Albion treats people. What do you have for us?
Proof that Nigel Cass was complicit in the bombings.
What? But that's... Here, transfer it to this secure storage drive. How solid is this information?
It's a recording of him talking to some...
Security, drop your weapons!
You can't do this!
Gather all her equipment and get it to the carousel. You, check that wall, then get rid of this body. She can stay here. Gang vengeance is an horrible crime, ain't it?
Fuck me. Cass sent a squad of his goons for Claire and that other bloke. That recording's gotta be the real deal. Bastard knew about the bombings.
Albion must have Claire's equipment then, along with the audio file evidence.
Rah! That's the proof we need to take down Cass. Make him pay for all the blood on his hands. I heard that Albion wasteman say Carousel. They must mean Carousel Plaza, where Albion's got their propaganda library.
Sounds like as good a place as any to start looking.
Okay. Well, I don't got to go too far. So let's get the hell out of here.
Patients in an Albion holding cell.
No.
Have London rents really gotten that bad?
What? They're in Hotel Albion, so it's up to me, right?
Damn it.
Fine. Coming in.
Gotta do it again? This game hates me.
You found Claire's equipment, including her secure storage drive, which shockingly appears not to have been tampered with, so the audio evidence is probably still intact.
Drones deployed to arrest the suspect.
Oh no, that's a problem. I don't have the poke on. So this could be... big problem. Oh, what the fuck? That's cheating. I'm not trying to play that hardcore. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to... I'm just trying to play, have some fun, enjoy the story. And it is actually a pretty good story.
out. Taking fire.
Going to investigate.
We'll take him out this way, you know?
I'll have a look.
Going to check their last position. Have a search around there. I'm getting shot at here. Ah!
Alright, now we can watch it.
That was Albion's automated propaganda hub you've thrown a spanner into.
No, I don't want to
Ostensibly
make it
for
too sweaty.
broadcasting safety notification.
Well, I know you're listening. Let's talk.
We told you the Prime Minister would turn you down. Brits love to see private military contractors on foreign streets, but not their own.
He's a fool. This whole city, this whole country's collapsing. The military's held together with duct tape. Police are running scared.
Someone has to save the people, Nigel. Someone strong.
Who's Zero Day then?
I've already worked it out. The ideal targets
No,
of the
he's
Tone
not.
Conference, Parliament, and King's College Hospital. I'll provide overseas tac teams for logistics, but you can source the bombs yourself. Non-negotiable. It cannot trace back to me.
You're forgetting something.
And I'll get you access to filament as agreed. Now go away.
Zero Day has to be somebody we've already met,
Now Scarper or they'll kill you for sure.
right? Like, it's not going to be as dramatic if it's somebody we haven't seen yet. So it has to be someone we already know.
Has a voice that makes you want to snap his smug bollocks in a pencil case, doesn't he? And Zero Day knew just which strings to pull to get what they wanted, didn't they? Filament.
And Cass was willing to trade it for the keys to the city. Fuck.
Who could that be?
Don't know, fam. I think I always thought there was a chance for him to...
Maybe it's him.
To be the man you
No?
thought he was. Sorry, Hamish. If that man ever existed, he's gone now. We have to get this information out there. To the
Maybe?
people.
You're right. When you lot get the chance, come to Piccadilly Circus. Been working with Bugs on something. And this proof is just the token we needed.
Yeah, maybe Malik. Because that's the whole point of, like, you know, like, they don't want to reveal something and it being somebody we don't know. So it has to be somebody we've already met. It has to be. Malik does... I guess it could be Malik. It could be. What if it's the... can't remember her name. The girl that we've been talking to and getting missions from? She'd be less less suspected to do it. I don't know what she would have to gain from it. The one was with DedSec before the frame. Maybe. Like, it has to be somebody close. Yeah, the original DedSec girl.
London, you've been lied to. Nigel Cass and his Albion peacekeepers intend to permanently control this city.
The ideal targets are the Tone Conference, Parliament, and King's College Hospital. I'll provide overseas tech teams for logistics, but you can source the bombs yourself. Non-negotiable. It cannot trace back to me.
Nigel Cass collaborated with a terrorist to bomb this city. Then, he set up an orbital drone program called Themis that would target you based on your stolen data.
I will not allow anyone, not even myself, to jeopardize Themis.
I've given you the truth. Do as you will. Actually, fuck that. Resist.
Not bad if I do say so, innit?
Hey, Mish.
Haha.
Shiny face again, are you?
Yeah, well, can't lock myself away from the world forever. Got a lot to make up for, don't I? Besides, you sorry lot need all the help you can get. Check it.
Fucking wankers!
Yeah. Albion's still pissing about, aren't they?
He disappeared like Batman.
Sent that to every news outlet I could think of. They're gonna have it on the loop for a while. And when the people tweak to what it means, Cass is done.
He'll be removed, prosecuted for high treason. They'll have no choice. We've done it. Congratulations, team.
I have to tell you, I'm feeling fucking knackered. Could do with a holiday right now.
There is still the matter of Zero Day. You know, the rogue hacker group that conspired with Cass and Mary Kelly to blow up London.
Jesus, Backley, all work and no play. Give the squad a second or two to bask in our victory. Safe to say it won't last long.
I doubt this is the reaction you were expecting, but Nigel Cass is in the news again.
The government has convened to review its contract with Albion. Nigel Cass himself has responded to requests that he should surrender to the authorities in a heated call with the GBB.
Just shut up and listen to me. I will not be removed by the government or anyone else. I will die first. And many will die with me. They're calling for blood. They'll have it. This city belongs to me. I am its shepherd, and I will slaughter my flock before I relinquish it.
Cass has barricaded himself in his White Tower headquarters and threatened to kill anyone that tries to stop him. He is heavily armed and considered extremely dangerous.
Shit. He's gone off the deep end. He's liable to take it to the streets in his state.
We have no choice. We have to get to White Tower and stop him.
Holy.